Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method title. So in Python, the title method returns a title case version of the string where all words start with uppercase characters, and for all remaining characters, they have lowercase. So the syntax for this method is you have your string object followed by the dot title and then opening and closing parentheses. Now the title method does not take any parameters. And so here in this first cell, we have a string. All words in this sentence are not capitalized for the variable uncapped sentence. And if we run this, that's what we have as an output. It's just a string. All words in the sentence are not capitalized. Now, for this particular variable, we can apply the string method title. So what this will return is the first letter for each word, so separated by white space here, would be uppercase. So all here will be a capital A, words will be a capital W, and so on until capitalized, which will be a capital C as the output. And so that's what we see. All words in the sentence are not capitalized, where the first letter of each word is now in uppercase. And so this is a difference between capitalized that was covered in the last tutorial and the title method. Now we can also apply the title method here to string interpolation. So we can print Python with a capital P after applying the title method, and Java with a capital J after applying the same method are both programming languages. And so that's what we have as output. Python and Java are both programming languages. Now we can also store both Python and Java strings as variable for concatenation. So if we create a variable Python language equal to lowercase p Python, and then another variable Java language equals to lowercase j for Java, we can then print the original lowercase sentence followed by a concatenated string using both variables. So Python language and Java language variable followed by are both programming languages, and then we'll add a line break. And now if we print the string after applying the title method, capitalized sentence, and then we print. So the same as above, except now we're making the Python string uppercase. So Python dot title followed by and then Java language dot title followed by are both programming languages. And now if we run this and see the output, that's what we have. We have the original lowercase sentence. Python and Java are both programming languages. All the letters are lowercase. Now, after applying title, our variable for Python language is now the uppercase P. Same goes for Java. It's now uppercase J, which originally it was lowercase for both words. Now, one additional factor about this method is when the word starts with a number or a symbol, for example, in this particular string, it starts with a 4 followed by the period and then the word hello as a single string, right? If you run the title method on a string where it has either a number or a character or both, a number or symbol or both, it would actually make the next letter that it encounters or the first letter that it encounters in uppercase. So this will print the original uncapitalized word. After applying the title method, it will actually make the H uppercase. So what you will have as output is 4.hello. And so here we see that we have the original uncapitalized word 4.hello, where hello is all lowercase. After applying the title method, the for and the symbol, the dot symbol, remains unchanged, but the first letter encountered, which in the case is a H, becomes uppercase.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.